Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIABS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take social science class for class 2. Our today's topic is lesson 15. We will read this lesson and do the true false from this lesson. Today's lecture number 4 and homework number 4 will be given today. Okay dear students, look at the book here. This is lesson 15. This is on page 34. So lesson 15 is titled Wealth. We will read about wealth in this lesson. Wealth is the abundance of valuable resources or material possessions. So if we have much valuable resource or material possessions, that is called wealth. Goods which we use in our life and livelihood are called wealth. The things that we use in our life and for our livelihood, those are called wealth. There is some wealth which is owned by a family. So a family can also own wealth, such as land, house, pond, garden, industry, etc. These are the man's own wealth. So these are the things a family can own: land, house, pond, garden, industry, etc. An individual, community, region or country that possesses an abundance of possessions or resources is known as wealth. So wealth can be owned by a country, a region, a community or an individual as well. We have some social wealth. So wealth can be owned by a family and individual, or there can be social wealth as well. Mosques, roads, schools, temples, churches and hospitals are our social wealth. We have mosque, road, school, temple, church, hospital, etc. in our society. All these things are our social wealth. They are our national wealth also. We use this wealth for the benefit of our people. So all these wealth are used for our nation as well. So these are national wealth also. We use this wealth for the benefit of our people, the people of our nation. So we should not misuse our national wealth. So we should take care of our national wealth and we shouldn't misuse it. Wealth can be of two kinds. How many kinds? Two kinds, okay? One is national wealth and another one is social wealth. Wealth can be of two kinds, national and social. So number 1, national wealth. The wealth which our country controls is called national wealth. Natural gas, water and electricity are our national wealth. We as a citizen have the right to use this wealth. So as the citizens of a nation, we have the right to use this wealth like electricity, water, natural gas, etc. Number 2 is social wealth. We build mosques, temples, pagodas and churches for our religious purposes. We build roads, houses, schools, colleges and playgrounds for our needs. So there are different needs of the people in the society. For those reasons we build mosque, temple, pagoda, church, road, house, school, college, etc. Playground, and all these things are for our own needs and these are social wealth. These are our social wealth. Look at the pictures. Different kind of social wealth is given here. Number 1, you can see a mosque, then a temple in the next picture. Then in this picture you can see pagoda and this is a church. Okay dear students, this was today's lesson, lesson number 15. We have done reading. Now we will go to the next page. In page 35, we have identified true false. Identify true and false from the following sentences. This is exercise C in page number 35. This will be your homework as well. So let's read it. Number 1, we use wealth for the help of mankind. This sentence is true. So we have written true here. Number 2, wealth is not owned by family. This is false because a family can also own wealth. So wealth is not owned by family is false. Number 3. We have some social wealth. This sentence is true because there is social wealth as we have read in the lesson. So this sentence is true. Number 4. Goods which we use in our life are called wealth. This is also true. Okay, dear students, our homework number 4 will be lesson 15's true and false that we just did in page 35. So dear students, please read the lesson again and do the homework carefully and submit it on next Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.